Hey everyone, good morning. So it's 6:40 in the morning and we are at the Shell petrol pump in Attibele. Today we are heading off to Kolli Hills and unfortunately I think so I have a puncture on my rear tire, so probably we'll get that fixed. I have filled in air so it should be fine, but I hope I don't face much challenges on this trip. We are on 18 bikes I believe, and I will catch you guys on the road. So I just got the tire fixed. Now it's more confidence while riding. Yeah, I was just a bit apprehensive of, taking the bike all the way up the hill without getting my tire fixed. Luckily, got a puncture shop much before Krishnagiri and got the tire fixed. It was one puncture, and the gentleman was kind enough to work on it immediately and get it sorted. So we are just at the borders of Krishnagiri, and I guess the breakfast place is pretty close by as well. Yeah. So just done with breakfast at Sarona Bhavan. I don't know if you guys can see the monkey there. He's been jumping on that board. I don't know what's his plans, but yeah, we are 2 hours away from Salem, which is going to be the next stop for breakfast. And as you can see, everybody has geared up, so hopefully we won't get much traffic. The brand new R3 looks dashing according to me, and especially in the blue color it looks really nice. And we have an Aprilia 457, I think so, it's the pearl white in color, and wow, it looks stunning as well. So really some good bikes in this group today. I'm marshalling the group, so basically my task today is to ensure everybody is riding in the lane, riding safe, and if there's any obstruction or any vehicles which can cause trouble to the group, then I should help evade that issue. So that's my task today. Thankfully I've been given this task because for me to ride in this group would be a bit challenging with my bike, so marshalling would is an easier task. But yeah, today there's a bit more traffic, being a weekend. But bright and sunny day, so can't expect any more. But as last time I was drenched due to the rain. yeah, this time I've carried all my rain gear, and I hope it rains, because anytime I get my rain gear it doesn't. So I hope it at least gives there's a bit of shower today or tomorrow for me to get my rain gear a bit wet. Okay, so just finished lunch in the original Selvi mess, which is kind of towards the insides of Salem, and but yeah, worth it. Good food. Parking was a bit of an issue because we have around 18 bikes, and but then we figured out, we just sorted out our bikes everywhere, but it was a good food, so kind of worth it. But yeah, it's boiling hot right now in Salem, and we are around 2.5 hours approximately from Kolli Hills. So the plan is to ride for another hour. There's just a cafe just before Kolli Hills Ghat section, I believe, so we're going to have a quick stop there, have some tea, coffee, and then leave that cafe and head towards our destination. So Kolli Hills is typically known for its 70 hairpin bends, but I was told that there are 76 hairpin bends, but officially there's only 70. I do not know how the 6 extra hairpin bends have been added. So today is the day that we are going to figure out if there are actually 76 hairpin bends or 70 hairpin bends. Apart from that, Kolli Hills is also known for its caves, waterfalls, forest, all of that. And I'm not sure if we would be able to see all of those places, but I think so the itinerary has a waterfall and a viewpoint, so probably we will be checking them out today and tomorrow. Yeah, so the roads have been okay till now. We did find few deviations near Krishnagiri, but that was well known to us because there's road work going on in that area. But apart from that, I think so it was all fine. We did get some traffic, or not some, a lot of traffic when we were entering Salem. Again, there was some road work happening which caused at least 15 to 20 minutes of traffic delay for us when we entered Salem. But just imagine the heat here. We are just hoping that we get through the traffic as soon as possible, because majority of our gears are black in color, and that's not so good when you are having this kind of heat, which is kind of, invading your happiness while you're riding on a bike. Yeah, so I think so I will continue this vlog from or after the cafe, and the plan is to put some 360 view as well, so probably I'll put in the 360 lens, and let's see how that goes once we start the hairpin bends. Alright, we are around 25 minutes from the Kolli Hills checkpost, and as you can see, the terrain has completely shifted. It's more greener. We can see more farms on both the sides of the road, so aesthetically this looks much more beautiful, and which is why I thought why not vlog this part as well. So yeah, we have done around maybe 180 kilometers approximately, and the ride so far has been nice. I thought that my helmet would cause certain discomfort, because the last ride as well I felt a bit of discomfort after a long period of riding. So but this time it has been really nice. I think so it's finally my helmet has, my head has become used to the helmet, so that's a good sign for me, because if not, then it was kind of annoying to always move around your face within the helmet to just make it more comfortable. Yeah, and a lot of things have dried on both the sides. I can see a lot of dried leaf, but there's certain greenery which is evident, and I hope to see much more dense forest while we climb up Kolli Hills. If I'm not mistaken, we do pass through a lot of forest area, and yeah, looking forward to that. Yeah, a lot of dried forest as well. I feel these roads are just meant for the triple. I just the lean, the vehicle is so lean and can really enjoy this such roads. Basically, it's a lot of fun when you are on this kind of a bike with certain twisties. So I don't know if it's only for me, but whenever we are going towards a hill station, at least what happens in my mind is I always start thinking which is the mountain or hill which we're going to climb to reach the destination or the hill station which we are going to. So in my mind I say, oh, it could be the one in the front, which is right there, or it could be one on the right. a lot of options, but in most cases, you don't even know which hill you're going to get on, because there's so many twists and turns. But yeah, it's a fun game to have in your mind, and that way if you're doing a solo trip, to keep you occupied apart from the music playing in your phone, right? Yeah, I think so. We're crossing through certain villages before we head into the main climb. So let's see, Kolli Hills, 35 kilometers. Really? Wow. I thought it would be more.
information.